Greetings YouTube. Just a quick look at the pollinators busy in our gardens this morning out here at Mrs. Grosedal's planter. We do indeed have the honeybees out here doing their things, flying back and forth from blossom to blossom, pollinating our plants out here, and we're super excited to see these pollinators in our garden. They seem to be loving our plants. We have several of them here at Mrs. Grosedal's planter, as you can see. And we're super excited about that, YouTube. Also, not only do we have honeybees, YouTube, on our cantaloupes, we also have bumblebees on our cucumbers. The bumblebees do indeed seem to be loving our cucumbers, and we're loving the fact that they're loving our cucumbers. The more of these guys we see out here, the higher our pollination rate goes, and we know that regardless to how many blossoms and fruit actually appear on our plants, without these guys out here actually pollinating our fruit on our plants, we wouldn't have anything. Twins right there, YouTube. See that? That's the twin bumblebees on our cucumber plants out here at the pumpkin patch. At any rate, YouTube, thanks for watching this video, and if indeed you currently are watching this video on pollinators in our garden, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to put that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, pollinators in our gardens.
On this day, before witnesses, I vow to you, Queen. Just how much would your king rather be? To always be your inspiration, to honor you daily.